Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Okay, I'm gonna read some article in investing.com. The Ministry of PUPR completes the argument of the mangrove area of Tahura Ngurah Rai. Ahead of the Indonesian presidency at the G20 summit in Bali province, the Ministry of Public Works and Public Housing (PUPR) is finalizing the argument of the Ngurah Rai Tahura mangrove area. The argument of the area will be used as a mangrove showcase for the leaders of the delegation who attended Bali, which will be the center of the location for the G20 summit, will be made for environmentally friendly through activities to improve regional infrastructure, supported by massive reforestation, said PUPR Minister Basuki Hadimuljono, as reported by a press release Tuesday, 30 2022. The Minister of PUPR said that Indonesia, as the host at the G20 summit in 2022, will take a big leap, namely recovering together, recovering stronger. The head of the Bali Regional Settlement Infrastructure Center (BWPW), I. Newman Sutresna, said that the arrangement work around the Muara Nusa Dua reservoir area is now almost complete. For the main area starting from the G20 monument, the head of state parking lot, the Beji area, the Wantilan Pavilion building, the mangrove trekking path, and the mangrove nursery area. Finishing work is still underway. The plan is not started resource simulation for preparing the event around the end of August or early September 2022, said Sutresna. As for the Mangrove Innovation Center (MIC) area, according to him, construction is still in the completion stage, covering the stick area, building, pedestrian track, viewing tower, and Tanjung Benoa viewing deck. According to him, the challenge in starting the Tahura Ngurah Rai mangrove area is that the construction implementation is not allowed to damage the surrounding environmental condition, so that is practice we minimize the use of heavy equipment, including the installation of stakes using the manual method so as not to damage the roots of existing mangrove trees, said Sutresna. Instructing the mangrove area, the Ministry of PUPR has also built a mangrove nursery facility which consists of their building facilities, namely the production house area for planting seedlings, the germination house area for developing seedling to become short sprout, and an open growth area for mangrove that are 30 until 50 centimeter high. The 850-meter long nursery area is estimated to have a total of 1.8 million trees in one seedling cycle. In 1 year, it is planned to have their seedlings. The management will be carried out by the Ministry of Environment and Forestry, said Sutresna. The construction of the mangrove arrangement for Tahura Ngurah Rai was carried out by contractor PT Adikarya with a total contract value of 105 billion rupiah and consultant PT Pirmakarya. Okay guys, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you.